Hello everyone, this is Faith from faithsbizacademy.com. Now in this video, I will be showing you how to create an undated monthly planner using Canva. And it's going to be fun, it's going to be easy, and then right after you will be able to create these beautiful undated monthly planners that you can sell or use as lead magnets to grow your email list. Are you ready? Let's dive in. We're on Canva right now, and I'm going to start by creating a new design. And this monthly planner that I want to create will be on the US letter landscape layout. So I'm going to change it to inches right here and put it as 11 by 8.5 inches and create. Now we're going to start by going to the elements section, and if you haven't realized by now, there's actually a new tables element section on the left hand side menu, which is going to make it so much easier for us to create this monthly undated planner. If you actually want to learn how to use these tables, you can also refer back to another video that I show you how to create tables in Canva. Now let's click on see all, and I'm going to choose the first one, just the grids, and let's resize it. Now we're going to do a table, so we need 7 columns. So let's click on this ellipse menu to add columns after. That's 4, 5, 6, and 7. I also want to add more rows for 5 weeks worth, as well as the top row for the headings for the days of the week. So we need to add some more. Add row after. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So then I can resize this just to stretch it out like this. I can use the pink grid lines that appear to help me fit my table nicely on the page. And then now I'm going to type in the days of the week. Let's start with Sunday. And I'm going to change the font size to be a bit larger, 20. And there we go. And now I'm going to click on this little ellipse menu, and I'm going to size the row to content. And once I click that, it automatically resizes. So the top row is actually a little bit smaller, while the other rows for the days of the week will be slightly bigger. So there is my monthly undated planner. And then I also want to add, of course, the heading. So let's go to text and perhaps select this one. This is actually a pro font. So if you're using the free Canva account, then you will need to make sure that you're actually using the free fonts. Let's go to ungroup here, type in March, and just resizing it. And going to this ellipse menu, go to position. I can align it in the center and align it to the top. And I can just use my arrow keys on my keyboard to adjust it. And here, I'm going to resize it as well and do it like this. So I don't want the effects to be this neon, so go to effects and click on none. So then there's no more of such effect. And I can also go to the ellipse menu, go to the transparency, use the slider, or just key in a number to adjust the transparency. And now there's actually 2 different words overlapping on each other to just create a unique effect like this. Okay, so of course right now this undated monthly planner is way too plain to my liking, so I do want to add some beautiful graphics. So I'm going to go to prettygraphic.com, which allows you to purchase commercial use graphics. There are also freebies available right here, which you can check it out, or you can purchase a lifetime access license at a one-time fee, which allows you to download unlimited number of commercial use graphics and get access to new designs added every month. All right, so now I'm going to search for unicorns. Now unicorns are really popular, right, as printable designs among little girls and stuff like that. Even for myself, I do like the designs as well. So now I like this digital paper, so I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to find some other unicorn designs as well. And all you need to do is just click on it, add to cart, and download. Now we're heading back to Canva. Now going to the upload section on the left hand side, I have actually uploaded some of these graphics. And what I want to do is I'm just going to click on one of these. I can use this and just click and drag and position it all the way to the back. And perhaps reduce the transparency because otherwise it's too dark. Now I don't really like the way this looks, so I'm going to try it again. Let's choose the stripes instead. This looks nice. Stretch it. and go all the way, position all the way to the back. Now, because I need this undated planner to be able to, for people to print out and to write it, right? So I need to have a solid white background behind it. Going to elements, and I'm going to search for this simple square. Click on it, resize it according to the size of the table right here, having it all white and positioning it backwards. And now there's too many colors, so I'm going to click on this March font, this word, and change it to black. And perhaps now I can click on this faint pink cursive March, and let's see if neon works better or have this echo effect. So sometimes you just want to try things around to kind of see what designs will look better, okay? So something like that, or maybe it's just a little bit too busy right now. So let's just remove that, have this with effects, some shadow effect, and use pink. Okay, so this is what I want. So then, because this is an undated monthly planner, I want to add little shapes right here for people to actually, when they're using it, they can write in the dates themselves. Let's do this. Have this little circle, zooming in, putting it at the top, and I want to grab, let's see, using my arrow keys to do fine adjustments. Now, because I want to make sure that I do not actually disturb the table that I've already created as I'm creating these little circles, I'm going to click on this table and go into this little lock key. When I lock it, now I can't touch it, I can't move it around, then I will not be able to disrupt whatever that I've already created. And now I can just focus on these little circles, go into this color palette, and here I can use this photo colors that just appear right here. I can choose this yellow and perhaps making it a little transparent so it's not too dark, just like this. And clicking on duplicate and moving it and duplicate it again and just continue clicking it so that it auto-populates it. And then I'm going to hold down my shift key to select these multiple elements, and I'm going to go to position, distribute horizontally. So now they're evenly spaced. This looks good to me. Now holding down the shift key again to select multiple elements, I'm going to go to group and hit duplicate and shift it down. And now I can even play with the colors and change these colors. Go to this color palette. Right here, I can pick up this purple right here, like this. Clicking the duplicate, or you can also use Ctrl D or Command D on your keyboard right here, picking off another color, clicking on this duplicate icon, picking off another color, right like this. And I just want to do some fine adjustments by moving the circles up a little bit and clicking on the duplicate icon again, shift things down, and one more back to this shade of yellow again. So there we have it, this undated monthly planner, which I have labeled it as March. Now, if I want to create more variations or fill up the whole 12 months, very easy. I can just click on this little duplicate page, this icon, to duplicate the page, delete the background, go back to my uploads and find other beautiful designs, or I could just use this beautiful stars, right, like this. And here, the pink star, putting it like this, and just filling up the page with these beautiful stars, changing this to April. And perhaps I'm going to look for a unicorn graphic as well. Let's go back to upload media, and I have this adorable unicorn right here. And then I want to change the background color, pick up this purple. Perhaps it's a little too dark, so I can go to this color palette, just slide it around to choose the shade that I want. This looks better. And then add this cute unicorn, and I can just place it right here, or I don't really want to block the calendar, so I'm just going to put it right here. Can position it behind. Just realign this to the center, go to the ellipse menu, go to position, back to center, and that's it. So that's yet another undated monthly planner with just a few clicks, created these 2 pages in less than 10 minutes. So this is really awesome, especially now that we can use the table feature under elements. Okay, so I hope that you have found this video to be useful. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel so they can stay tuned to new tutorials added every week. Thank you so much, and I'll see you around.